Hey, man, what's up?
Jeff, I didn't want you to hear it on the news. Luanda's dead. I just got the call a few minutes ago. Sorry, man.
What good did it do, Lynn? She was my student. I had a fantasy that when they leave me, their lives are better, that they could transcend this neighborhood, the city, world. Yeah, I saved more lives as the principal of Garfield High than I ever did as Black Lightning.
It's true.
It's a lie. Luanda is dead.
She is. I know. And it hurts, and I understand. I feel it too.
But I could have saved her. I could save so many. I've been living a lie. Living in the hopes that you and me and the girls could somehow live behind a white picket fence. A normal life. I'm not normal. Never have been. Never will be.
Jeff, listen to me. This is the addiction talking.
There is no damn addiction! Do you remember what you said when we discovered my powers? You said it was a gift, a blessing from God. It's still a gift. It's still a blessing from God. And I intend to use it. Not just for the girls, but for all the other people out there who need me.
Jefferson, please. We are so close to putting the pieces of our lives back together.
Yeah, we are. Maybe. No more maybes from me, Lynn. It is time that people know that Black Lightning is back.